So welcome back everyone to another part to the At Home with Zane Holiday Home Series 2018. Today what I want to share with you is how you can create a beautiful, simplistic centerpiece for your dining room table, a sideboard, an entryway table, a coffee table, and in this instance, we're going to be creating this piece for a side table next to our chair in our family room. And you're only going to need a few pieces, and you can find these at a variety of different craft stores, such as Michael's or Hobby Lobby. You can find any of these pieces at a variety of different stores, and you can even find some of them thrifting. And one piece we actually found at the Dollar Tree. So what I have here is this beautiful, this is a snowy, glittery birch candle that I actually got 2 of these 2 years ago at Pier 1. And it's really very pretty. It has a timer feature, and it's in sort of a white birch finish with the glitter on it. And then we have a cloche dome, which again, you can find these at, I know they sell these at Michael's. I've seen them there. So you could pick that up. The other thing is, this is actually a small wreath, but you can buy candle rings that serve the same purpose. Oftentimes, wreaths and candle rings are utilized for the same purposes, and they're very, very versatile. And so this has some pine cones and some berries in it, and this is actually a wreath form, but like I said, you can always find a candle form like this as well, and they sell them at, again, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, different craft stores. And our last piece is going to be a charger, and I've chosen this beautiful red here, and I got this at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to use that as our base. So the first thing that you want to do is find your charger, whatever type of base you want to use. If you have a large plate or a platter, that works as well. But this red of the color in the charger, and then these beautiful red berries really marry into the red and white story that we have going on in our home for Christmas this year. So I chose to use the red charger. Now, you're just going to use this as your base, and the reason that I say use this as a base is because you could actually just set your candle ring down or your wreath, but I wanted to have something that stuck out around the edges just a little bit from our base of our candle or our wreath here. The next thing I want to do is I actually want to set my cloche down in about the center point of my charger. So I'll show you here. I've just set it down there. Then I'm going to take my wreath, slide it down over the top. The reason I say to do it this way is because if you slide it down over the top, then you don't have to worry about scrunching your cloche down inside of the candle ring. That is so much more difficult. It's much easier just to slide it down over the top. And then you can just zhuzh it up a little bit, however you'd like, to get all your branches and berries into place. We have some pine in here, and we also have some evergreen, and then we've got the pine cones, and we have the berries. And then you just want to turn your candle on, and ours is going to be set on a timer that I will set later today. And then you just want to lift it up, slide your candle down under the dome, and you can, play with it, adjust it, get it centered however you'd like. And then you have your beautiful centerpiece to go on your entryway or your mantle or your coffee table or wherever you would like in your home. It's so simple, but with the berries and the pine cones and the evergreen and the pine, and then we've got our charger and the glass dome with the beautiful glistening candle underneath, this really makes a big impact. And it looks like you've put a lot of time and money into this when really it was just a very simple project that we took just a few minutes to do. And there you have it. It was so simple. It's so easy to do this. And again, as I said, I think it creates such a beautiful impact. And wherever you display this in your home, I think it's going to give a welcoming effect to all of your guests this holiday season.